In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an image with Magnific AI Mobile. If you've ever wanted to turn an idea into artwork right from your phone, this walkthrough will take you from opening the app to seeing your first image on screen. Start by going to Magnific AI on your mobile device. You can use the app if you have it installed or visit the site in your phone's browser. Give it a moment to load so the creative tools appear on the home screen. From the main screen, look toward the bottom navigation bar and tap AI Suite. This is the hub for all the generative tools, and it keeps everything you need in one place so you don't have to dig through menus. Next, tap Generate Images. This opens the image creator where you'll describe what you want and let the model do the heavy lifting. You now have two choices for the prompt. If you're not sure what to make, use the randomize option to pull in a ready-made idea. It's great for quick inspiration and for learning how prompts are structured. If you already have a vision, type your own prompt in clear, descriptive language. Mention the subject, the setting, the mood, and any details that matter to you. Think colors, lighting, camera angle, or art style. The more specific your description, the more accurately the model can match it. Before generating, tap the settings icon to fine-tune the results. Here you can choose a mode that aligns with your goal, such as realistic photography, stylized illustration, or something more experimental. Adjust options like size or aspect ratio to fit where you plan to use the image, and pick quality or detail preferences that balance speed and fidelity. Small changes here can dramatically shape the final look. When you're ready, tap Generate. Magnific AI will process your request and render the image. Hold tight for a moment and then review the result. That's all it takes to create an image with Magnific AI on mobile.